Draganfly is humbled to have been awarded a contract to provide our advanced drone technology and pilot crews to a Canadian Provincial Government to assist with firefighting mitigation, preparedness, response, and recovery efforts. Draganfly will enhance firefighting operations to aid emergency services in their mission to protect lives, ecosystems, natural resources, critical infrastructure, and to help mitigate air quality hazards from the devastating impact of these wildfires. Just a few short years ago, the thought of drones being used to assist in wildfire mitigation, preparedness, and response seemed incredible. Today, this is now a reality, and Draganfly is at the leading edge of deploying these new technologies and services to address the devastating human costs and billions of dollars of damages caused by wildfires. Draganfly will help conduct nighttime missions, detect hidden hotspots using thermal imaging technology, identify fire line breaches, and enhance situational awareness during firefighting operations. This has been the most devastating wildfire season in Canadian history, and we are fully committed to helping ensure that Wildfire Services has the essential technology and personnel that they need to optimize these critical operations.